How to remove uninstalled apps from App Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete old app traces from the App Store on your iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the App Store app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, simply tap on apps. And here once you see the interface like this, simply tap on not on this iPhone tab, and this will show you a list of all the apps that you have downloaded but are no longer installed on your device. And here to remove one from the list, just swipe left on the app that you want to hide and just tap on hide. And here once you are done, simply tap done in the top right corner. And after that, if you want to double check that the app is hidden, you can go back to the App Store and use the search bar to look for that app. And if it shows up to the Get button next to it, that means it's been removed from your visible download history and you are all set. And that's it. That's how you can clean up old app traces from your App Store. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.